Hi cats lovers, welcome to Cat's Caught. We have a fascinating and unique relationship with taste, particularly when it comes to sweetness. Unlike most mammals, cats are unable to detect sweet flavors because they lack the specific receptor gene responsible for recognizing sweetness. This genetic trait is an evolutionary adaptation that makes sense given a cat's natural diet. As obligate carnivores, cats rely on meat as their primary food source and have no biological need for carbohydrates or sugary substances. Unlike humans, who often crave the taste of sweets due to an evolutionary preference for high-energy foods, cats do not experience any pleasure from sugar. However, many cat owners have observed their pets licking ice cream, yogurt, or sweet desserts, which can be misleading. In reality, it is not the sugar that attracts them, but rather the fat content in these foods. Cats have highly developed taste receptors for fats and proteins, which align with their natural dietary needs. This is why some cats may show interest in dairy products or creamy textures, as they instinctively seek out high-fat content rather than sweetness. Since their bodies are not designed to process sugar efficiently, it is generally best to avoid offering sweet treats to cats, as excessive sugar can lead to digestive issues or unnecessary calorie intake. The heartbeat of a cat is considerably faster than that of a human, which is a direct reflection of their high-energy lifestyle and natural predatory instincts. While an average human's resting heart rate falls between 60 and 100 beats per minute, a cat's heart beats much more rapidly, typically ranging from 120 to 160 beats per minute when at rest. This quick and efficient cardiovascular system is crucial for their survival, as it enables them to react swiftly to their surroundings, whether they are hunting prey, escaping potential dangers, or engaging in playful bursts of energy. Cats are built for sudden, powerful movements rather than long endurance activities, and their rapid heart rate supports this fast-twitch muscular action. Additionally, their elevated heart rate plays a role in maintaining a high metabolic rate, allowing them to sustain their active and agile nature. This is one reason why cats can go from a deep sleep to an explosive sprint in mere seconds, displaying an incredible ability to switch between rest and action almost instantly. Kittens and younger cats tend to have even higher heart rates compared to older cats, as their bodies are in a constant state of growth and energy expenditure. Monitoring a cat's heart rate is also an important aspect of their health. An unusually high or low heart rate can be an indicator of stress, illness, or underlying medical conditions. If a cat's heart rate significantly deviates from the normal range, especially if accompanied by lethargy or difficulty breathing, it is advisable to seek veterinary attention. Genetically, cats and humans share more similarities than one might expect. In terms of DNA, cats are 90.2% similar to humans, making them closer to us than dogs, which share about 84% of their DNA with humans. This genetic closeness explains some of the behavioral and physiological parallels between humans and cats, reinforcing the deep bond people often feel with their feline companions. Cats possess sweat glands, but they are primarily located in specific areas such as their paws, lips, chin, and the skin around their anus. However, the most noticeable sweating occurs through their paws. On particularly hot days, it is possible to observe small, damp paw prints where a cat has walked, indicating their body's attempt to regulate temperature. Each cat has a unique nose print, similar to human fingerprints. The tiny ridges and bumps on a cat's nose create a distinct pattern that is exclusive to that individual. While this characteristic could theoretically be used for identification, the prevalence of microchipping in domestic cats makes it an unnecessary alternative. Unlike humans, whose collarbones are rigidly attached to the skeleton, a cat's collarbones are free-floating. This anatomical feature enables cats to squeeze through narrow spaces as long as their head can fit through. This flexibility is a key adaptation for their hunting lifestyle, allowing them to move with remarkable agility. Despite the popular imagery of cats drinking milk, most adult cats are actually lactose intolerant. Their digestive systems lack the necessary enzymes to break down lactose, which can lead to stomach upset, bloating, and diarrhea. Providing a cat with milk may seem like a kind gesture, but it is best to stick to lactose-free alternatives or simply offer fresh water. Unlike humans, who cannot drink salt water without serious health consequences, cats have kidneys that can filter out salt, allowing them to tolerate small amounts of salt water. However, while their bodies are capable of processing it, fresh water remains the best and healthiest hydration source for domestic cats. Just like humans can be right-handed or left-handed, cats also display paw preferences. Studies have shown that approximately 39% of cats favor their right paw, 36% favor their left, and the remaining 25% show no particular preference. Interestingly, research indicates that female cats are more likely to be right-pawed, while male cats tend to favor their left paw. Adult cats do not typically meow at one another, as meowing is primarily a behavior directed at humans. While kittens meow at their mothers to signal hunger or discomfort, they outgrow this form of communication when interacting with other cats. However, they continue to vocalize to humans because they quickly learn that meowing effectively grabs human attention. Vermont has the highest percentage of cat owners in the United States, with 45% of households owning at least one cat. This love for feline companions is a notable aspect of the state's pet ownership trends, ranking Vermont as one of the most cat-friendly regions. Cats are astonishing jumpers, capable of leaping up to 5 or 6 times their own body length. In practical terms, an average-sized adult cat can jump about 4 to 5 feet in height. This impressive ability is a result of their powerful leg muscles and evolutionary adaptations that make them agile hunters. Felines possess remarkable hearing abilities. While humans can hear frequencies up to 20,000 hertz, cats can detect sounds as high as 64,000 hertz. This heightened sense of hearing allows them to pick up subtle movements and locate prey with exceptional precision, even at great distances. A cat's sense of smell is about 14 times more powerful than that of a human. Not only do they have a superior ability to detect scents, but they can also distinguish between a wider range of smells compared to dogs. The secret behind their acute sense of smell lies in the V1R scent receptor protein. Humans have only 2 variants of this protein, dogs have 9, and cats possess an impressive 30, giving them a heightened olfactory perception. Cats have a unique way of analyzing scents through their mouths. If a cat appears to be sneering with its mouth slightly open while sniffing, it is exhibiting the Feline response. This behavior helps transfer scent molecules to the Jacobson's organ, located on the roof of the mouth, providing the cat with additional information about the scent's origin and significance. Cats spend an extraordinary amount of time sleeping, with the average cat resting for about 15 hours a day. Some cats may sleep as little as 12 hours, while others can snooze for up to 20 hours. Their extensive sleeping habits stem from their evolutionary history as predators, where conserving energy between hunting sessions was crucial for survival. Grooming is an essential part of a cat's daily routine. On average, cats spend between 30% and 50% of their waking hours grooming themselves. This behavior not only keeps them clean, but also helps regulate body temperature, reduces stress, and strengthens social bonds when grooming other cats. Cats are nearsighted, meaning they struggle to see objects clearly at a distance. What a human can see with clarity from 100 to 200 feet away, a cat can only see clearly from 20 feet. Additionally, they have difficulty focusing on objects less than a foot in front of them. Fortunately, their whiskers compensate for this limitation by allowing them to sense their surroundings. While most people associate whiskers with a cat's face, they also have whiskers on the back of their front legs. Known as carpal whiskers, these specialized sensory hairs help cats determine the position of prey and assess whether a captured animal is still moving. A group of 3 or more cats is called a clouder. Though not as commonly used as the term pack for dogs, this word adds an interesting element to feline terminology. Cats have a diverse range of vocalizations, producing approximately 100 different sounds. In comparison, dogs can only make about 10 distinct vocalizations. This extensive variety of sounds enables cats to communicate effectively with humans and other cats. Not all cats respond to catnip, and this sensitivity is determined by genetics. The ability to react to catnip is inherited, meaning some cats simply lack the genetic trait that allows them to experience its effects. Research indicates that approximately 30% to 50% of cats do not possess the gene responsible for triggering a response to catnip. This means that while some cats become noticeably excited, playful, or even euphoric when exposed to catnip, others remain completely indifferent to it. For cats that do react, their behavior can vary widely. Some may roll around, rub their faces against the catnip, or exhibit a sudden burst of energy, running and jumping around as if in a playful frenzy. Others may become visibly more relaxed, lying on their sides in a state of apparent bliss. This reaction is caused by a compound in catnip called napetolactone, which binds to receptors in a cat's nose and triggers a temporary change in behavior. The effects of catnip typically last for about 10 to 15 minutes before wearing off, and after that, a cat will need some time before they can experience the same reaction again. Interestingly, the sensitivity to catnip is not limited to domestic cats. Wild feline species, such as lions and leopards, have also been observed reacting to it in a similar manner. However, if a cat does not respond to catnip, there are alternative plants, such as silvervine or valerian root, which can produce similar effects in some cats. Cats experience dreams in a way that is remarkably similar to humans. When a cat sleeps, it enters different stages of rest, including rapid eye movement, REM sleep, which is associated with dreaming. If a cat twitches its whiskers, flicks its tail, or makes small jerking movements with its paws while asleep, it is likely engaged in a dream. During sleep, cats process memories, sort through their daily experiences, and reinforce learned behaviors. This ability to dream suggests that cats, much like humans, replay past events in their minds, which might include interactions with their owners, play sessions, or even imagined hunting scenarios. Some studies indicate that cats may dream about their hunting instincts, mimicking the movements of chasing and capturing prey while they sleep. Just as people can experience pleasant dreams or unsettling nightmares, cats may also have bad dreams. A frightened twitch, a sudden wake-up, or a distressed meow in the middle of the night could be signs that a cat has had a nightmare. While we may never fully understand what cats dream about, it is clear that sleep plays a crucial role in their mental and emotional well-being. Ensuring a comfortable sleeping environment with cozy bedding and a quiet space can help cats get the restful sleep they need to stay healthy and content. Contrary to common belief, cats do not always consume the prey they catch. Although many assume that a cat hunts purely for sustenance, research has shown that their hunting behavior is often driven by instinct rather than hunger. A study conducted by the University of Georgia's KittyCam project, which observed the hunting habits of pet cats, found that they only ate about 30% of the animals they captured. Interestingly, 21% of the time, cats would bring their prey home, presenting it to their owners as if offering a gift. This behavior may stem from an instinct to share food with their family, as mother cats often bring dead or injured prey to their kittens to teach them how to hunt. The most surprising finding from the study was that nearly half of the prey caught by pet cats, around 49%, was simply left uneaten. This indicates that for many cats, the thrill of the hunt is more important than the meal itself. Domestic cats, especially those that are well-fed, do not always hunt out of necessity, but rather to satisfy their deeply ingrained predatory instincts. Some cats may also use hunting as a way to practice their skills, ensuring they remain sharp even if they do not need to rely on hunting for survival. If a cat owner is surprised by the appearance of the kittens in their pet's litter, superfecundation is the most likely explanation. Please subscribe this channel and don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching. Meet in a new video.